In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Minecraft look exactly like those beautiful cinematic trailers that we all know and love. With breathtaking shaders, simple, colorful textures, and new animations that will bring your whole world to life. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. To start with, we're going to be downloading several different things, but don't get too overwhelmed. I'm going to go through each one of them, explain what it is, why you need it, and how to set it up properly. I'll also leave a link in the description for each one of them, so they should be easy to find. The first thing that we're going to be downloading is the Fabric mod loader. This is what we're going to use to manage and load all the Fabric mods that we'll be installing today. Just click on download and then click download universal jar. And once that's finished, just minimize your browser, open File Explorer, go to downloads, and then open the Fabric installer. After this pops up on your screen, you're going to want to choose which storage device that you want to download everything onto. In most cases, the default selected device should work fine. Now, pay close attention to this part because it's important. Here's where you're going to choose which version of Minecraft you want to play. It should have the newest version selected by default, but you can change it to an older version if you need to for some reason. For example, I'm going to be changing it to 1.21.6 for this tutorial because some of the mods that we'll be downloading haven't been updated to version 1.21.7 quite yet. Regardless of what game version you pick, newer or older, make sure to remember the version number because we have to make sure all the mod version numbers match up properly. Once you finish setting that up, hit install, and then this message should pop up on your screen. It's just reminding you to download a mod called Fabric API, which is exactly what we'll be doing next. So close all of that out and click the link that will bring you to the first mod that we're going to be downloading, which is Fabric API. This mod is basically used to help some other Fabric mods function properly, so it's a must-have. Make sure you download the one that matches the game version you picked earlier, and do the same with the rest of the things that we'll be downloading later. Then we're going to download Iris Shaders. This is the mod that we'll be using to run our beautiful shader packs on. Make sure you download the Fabric version of all these mods. If it's a different version, it won't work properly. But as long as it says Fabric, you should be good. Up next is a mod called Sodium. It basically helps Minecraft run better, and it's also necessary for the Iris Shader mod to function properly. After that, we'll be downloading the actual shader pack that we're going to be using, called Complementary Reimagined Shaders. And then we're going to download the Bare Bones Texture Pack. This is going to give our Minecraft that same simple and colorful look from the trailers. Next, we'll be downloading the Fresh Animations Resource Pack. This is going to bring our world to life with new and improved animations. Then we're going to download a mod called Entity Model Features. This mod is required for Fresh Animations to work. After that, we're going to download the Entity Texture Features mod. This is also required for Fresh Animations. And last but not least, we'll be downloading Bare Bones x Fresh Animations. This resource pack is necessary for the Bare Bones Texture Pack and the Fresh Animations resource pack to work and function together properly. Now that we've got all of that downloaded, let's minimize or close our browser and open the Minecraft launcher. Once the Minecraft launcher is open, just click on Installations and you should see Fabric Loader 1.21.6 or whatever version number you built yours on. Just click on the file folder and this should open up all of the Minecraft related files for the Fabric launcher. Then open File Explorer and go to Downloads. This is where all the different things that we just downloaded should be. We're going to be putting all of these into different folders within the launcher. First, scroll down until you find the Mods folder. Open it and then move the Fabric API mod, Iris Shader mod, Sodium mod, Entity Model Features mod, and Entity Texture Features mod into this folder. Then go back and locate the Resource Packs folder. Open it and move the Bare Bones Texture Pack, Fresh Animations Resource Pack, and Bare Bones x Fresh Animations Resource Pack into this folder. And then finally, go back and locate the Shader Packs folder, open it and move the Complementary Reimagined Shader Pack into this folder. Once you've finished, you can close all of the files, go back to the Minecraft launcher, and click play. Double check to make sure the Fabric mod loader is selected and then launch your Minecraft. Now that we're in Minecraft, make sure your resource packs are enabled and loaded in this exact order, top to bottom. Then after making sure your shader pack is selected and enabled, load up a Minecraft world. As you can see, all of our textures now have a more simple appearance, similar to the game trailers. We've also got some beautiful god rays and shadows being produced by our lovely new shader pack. And all of the mobs now have unique animations, giving them loads of personality. I mean, just look how squishy this slime is now. There's so many more new textures and animations to check out, but I'll leave them for you to go discover. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, it would really mean a lot to me if you could leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I'll try my best to respond and help you out. But that's all for now, so thank you for watching, and goodbye.